Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is if 2 cos theta minus sin theta equal to 1 over square root of 2, what is the value of 2 sin theta plus cos theta, where theta lies between 0 and 90 degree. How can we solve this? Let 2 cos theta minus sin theta equal to 1 over square root of 2. Let this is equation 1. Now 2 sin theta plus cos theta, let this is equal to a, and this is equation 2. Now squaring equation 1 and 2 and then adding, we will get 4 cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 4 cos theta sin theta, and on the right side we will get 1 over 2. Similarly, for the second equation we will get 4 sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 4 cos theta sin theta equal to a square. Now this term will be cancelled with this and this is equal to 1. Similarly here we will take 4 common and this is equal to 1. So 4 into 1 plus 1 equal to 1 over 2 plus a square. Now a square will be equal to 5 minus 1 over 2 and a square equal to 9 by 2 and a equal to plus minus 3 divided by square root of 2, and theta lies between 0 and 90 degree, so a equal to 3 divided by square root of 2, and this is the correct option. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.